Welcome to HMultiCast. Here I will show you how to use the platform the easiest way possible. Step 1. Open the multicast, right-click Zip, Extract All, run the exe file, and enter your license key. Once done, select the platform that you will be using by adding the string keys to the selected platform. Next, turn on the toggle button to whichever platform you will be using. Once you get to step 4, set your string keys on OBS by using custom server keys and string keys for HMultiCast. Next, start your multi-stream through OBS to start the live. You can also use stream info to enter titles, game, categories, or descriptions of what you are streaming. You can also see a live preview if you wish to navigate through multicast. Next, you can also use a chat that you can have as an overlay as you game or stream any of your content. It also supplies with an overlay that you can change and have it on your gameplay. Thank you for purchasing HMultiCast. Ready to go live.